Only underwater you can find true peace. Just imagine, from above the rays of the sun make their way through the water, and below it's amazing beauty, endless blue. And you are soar between two worlds, away from the hustle and the crazy world, in a perfect silence. And the sea envelops you and shakes you like in a baby bed. Underwater, there are completely different thoughts about the nature of the universe, about the people, about relationship, about everything what you have in your life or don't have. Diving, it's life-changing, and diving change lives. No one come back from the first dive the same as he was before. I started to see world differently, and I want to repeat this experience and again and again. And the most interesting that lots of people have maybe different feelings, but they want to repeat and repeat this without stop. They won't know their new limits, see different underwater worlds in different countries, and all divers know that they won't come back and have same feelings again and again.